Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to transfer money from your Binance account to LSSC account. So if you have been using Binance to trade and store your cryptos and now you want to move that money in your LSSC account, you can definitely do it after watching this tutorial. I will walk you through how you can get LSSC deposit address, how you can choose the right network, and how you can safely withdraw your funds from Binance. So if you are a complete beginner, don't worry because I'm going to explain everything in easy language. By the end of this video, you will be able to move your funds to LSSC with full confidence. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for LSSC.com. Now once you are on the official website of LSSC, you need to provide your login credentials. That includes providing your phone number and your password, and you need to basically log in into your account. Now this will be your LSSC dashboard. Over here, in order to deposit the money, we need to get the deposit option. In order to get that, simply tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen if you are here on the home page, and then you can tap on the recharge option, or you can also first tap on this my tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. From here as well, you can tap on the recharge option. Whichever method you choose, you will be landed here on this recharge page, where if you tap on the record option in the top right hand corner of the screen, you will get the insight of all of the previous transactions that you have made here on LSSC. But if you haven't already made any of the transactions, or if this is your first transaction, this is your first deposit, make sure that you stick around, right? So here we have a bunch of different recharge options like USDT, USDC, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So I would recommend you to not choose BTC or Ethereum because you only need USDT or the USDC in order to purchase their plan over here on their platform. So now we have USDT and USDC. If you want to save money on the transaction fees or the gas fees, you don't need to choose USDT on the ERC20 network. So you can choose it on the Polygon network and the TRC20 network. Now let's say you want to deposit USDT on the Polygon network. So you need to simply tap on it, and then you will see this type of page in the bottom. So once you see this type of page, simply just tap on it, enter the amount that you want to deposit, then tap on the confirm option. As soon as you do this, you will see this type of QR code in front of you and bunch of other details like the transfer network, the deposit amount, and the deposit address. So you need to simply copy this address from here, then launch your Binance application and log in into your account. Over here, tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Tap on the Spot option here in the top. Now you need to just select USDT, then tap on the option of Withdrawal, then select the option of Send via Crypto Network. Now over here, you need to paste the address that you have copied from LSSC. The network, you need to select the same network which you have selected in LSSC, which in our case is the USDT on the Polygon network. Now enter the withdrawal amount. This should be the exact same amount that you have selected in your LSSC account. Afterwards, tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you need to provide the two-factor authentication, plus you need to review every details. Now within just 5 to 10 minutes, you will be able to withdraw your USDT from your Binance account to your LSSC account. No, so this was the step if you already have USDT in your Binance account. But if you don't have it here in your Binance account, you can directly purchase it, right? In order to purchase it, simply come back here on the home page of Binance. Over here on the home page itself, you will see the buy crypto option. So simply tap on it. Now tap on this drop down menu and select USD here in the section. Now enter the amount of USD which you want to basically use in order to get the USDT, and it is going to show you the equivalent amount of USDT that you are going to get. Now this is we are buying, so you need to select it just like so. In the pay with section, you can just either select the credit or the debit card, or you can also tap on this drop down menu and select others option if these are available in your country. Now tap on the add new card option, then provide your card details and conclude your payment. So this way you are going to purchase USDT directly in your Binance account, and then you can just basically use it in order to send it to your LSSC account. Now you need to come back here in your LSSC account just like so. Now you need to go back and just try refreshing this page. Now once you refresh this page, in order to check whether you have received your crypto or not, you can tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner and go to the recharge option again. Over here, tap on this record option in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here on this page you will be able to see whether your payment is completed or pending or processing or rejected. So the status will be visible here on this page. If you see that everything is completed, it is well and good. Now you can use that money in order to purchase their plan. But if you see that your payment is processing, you need to just simply wait for some time, because sometimes it can take up to 30 minutes in order to get the money in your account. If you see that the transaction is rejected, it can be the reason from the LSSCs, and so you can just simply contact to the LSSC customer support team, and you can seek help from them in this regard. If you receive the money here in your LSSC account, you can just simply use it in order to buy their plan. For that, tap on the join option here in the bottom. Here you will see a bunch of different plans that they offer. So you can tap on any one of these, then tap on the rent option again. Now select the option of balance payment. Over here, if you have any coupon code, you can select it over here. But if you don't have it, you need to provide your transaction password and click on the submit option. This way you will be able to place the order for their scooters, and you will be able to get the money out of the plan that you have selected. So this way you will be able to transfer money from your Binance account to your LSSC account safely. Now some of the tips that I would like to give you here are that if this is your first transfer, you need to try sending the small amount. It can be $10, $20, depending on the money you want to lose, because if you do anything wrong, your money may be lost. So always try the small test. Wait for it to arrive in your LSSC account. If you see that the money has arrived, you need to follow the same steps for sending the remaining amount, right? So this actually helps you prevent the costly errors and give you the peace of mind. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want me to create a tutorial on any other crypto exchanges or wallets. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.